Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching us from. It is phiri-JM trying to do a presentation on permutation and combination. I must mention that this is a second video. In this video, we want just look at questions on permutation. Remember, permutations is concerned with the arrangement of objects in a different order. But when we talk about combination, they're just interested in how you can combine things. The order does not matter. All right, so we'll start with this question. Okay. A, we're saying how many arrangements are in the following words. So in this word dot, okay, for a start, maybe I avoid using repeating words. I think that I'll do that in the next presentation. Maybe let's say cut. Okay. Let's say cut. So in this word cut, we realize that we have got three characters, three distinct letters. In this case, our n will be equal to 3. So to find the number of arrangements, this is simply means 3 factorial. All right. Now, 3 factorial means you can easily get that on your calculator. All right. But this means 3 by 2 by 1, implying therefore that 3 factorial is this. So there are 6 arrangements. Okay. I'm trying to get my calculator as well. Then B, we have the word sample. Sample. In this case, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. So it means our n is 6. So this implies that we are dealing with 6 factorial. And 6 factorial is 6 by 5 by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, you can easily work out that, or you can use your calculator. So in this case, 6 factorial is 720 ways of arranging that word sample in a definitive order, in a certain order. All right, I hope that is fine. Then the next one is arranging any objects, or arranging other objects from any different objects. Okay, we'll look at a very simple question. A very simple question. Right. How many arrangements are there? Because we are talking about the arrangements, we are dealing with the permutation. How many arrangements are there of the 4 letters from the word chemistry? So, okay, let me see our answers here. So we have this word chemistry. All right. Now, we are saying how many arrangements are there of the 4 letters? If we were to pick 4 letters, in how many ways can we arrange those? Right? So, to do that, we need to find n, all right, which is the total number of characters that we have. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have got 9. And now we want to arrange 4. All right, how many arrangements are there of the 4 letters in the word of chemistry? So we are dealing with it, our R being equal to 4. All right, so we are going to say n p r is equal to n factorial. You can even use a small letter. Then n minus r factorial. All right, this is what we need to have. So we have 9 factorial to 9 minus r is 4 factorial. So this is 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial. So here we'll break down this up to the 5th factorial. Right, we'll break down the 9th factorial, the 9 factorial up to the 5th factorial. So it will be 9 by 8 by 7 by 6 by 5 factorial, because the denominator has 5 factorial. You say 5 factorial. So 5 factorial and 5 factorial will cancel. Therefore, it remains with 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. All right. So 9 by 7 by 6 by 8. I skipped 8. So we get 3024 arrangements. 3024 arrangements. Okay. How many arrangements in this case? We're saying 3024 arrangements. All right. Another question is, how many arrangements are there of the 5 letters from the word vanish? 5 letters from the word vanish. From the word vanish. Vanish. All right. So what is our n? We count how many letters we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our n is 7. Now, I can take you back to the question that we have taken. We are saying how many arrangements are there of the 5 letters from the word vanish? So we are interested in 5. All right? 5. So it means our R is 5. So since we're talking about arrangement, we are dealing with the permutation. This will be equal to n p r is equal to 10. Is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This will give us 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 5 factorial. All right. So this is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. All right. So we can break down this as 7 by 6 by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 factorial, because the denominator has 2 factorial. So now this 2 factorial and this 2 factorial will cancel with right. Therefore, we have got 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. What do we get? Right, 7 times 6 times 5 times 6 times 5 by 4 by 3. Okay, you get 2,520. This is what you get. There are 2,520 arrangements. Okay, I hope that is fine. Please look out for more videos on permutations and combinations, more videos on GC mathematics, additional mathematics, the 9 mathematics, college, university mathematics, A-level mathematics, such as differential equations, complex analysis, among others. So, in case you want to join us, please, we have got online lessons that are ongoing, different levels. But for 2024, GCE exams, the registration is on. It's only 500 kwacha per month in a group and as an individual. All right? I mean, a person, that is. But as an individual, if you want to be taught alone, you can still contact us. We'll be able to help you. This is number 1. Number 2, we also have the grade 9 and grade 12 lesson. Okay. Add 500 kwacha per month in a group. All right. Please contact us on 0978 56 58 76. All right. Or 097 967 809. This is Mr. Phiri. Please subscribe also to this our channel, Kanban phiri-JM. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.